We got 80 seconds to make a custom fade-in transition in Premiere Pro, so let's go to it. I got the Premiere Pro open and I am in the workspace effects, and we need to drag in some video clips. So I'm going to select these two and just drag and drop them into the library. Let's drag and drop the first video into the timeline, and let's do the same thing, but right about where we would like it to transition. I'm going to select the second video that will be having the transition effect. I'm going to hold shift to go to the end of the first clip. Let's click this opacity little toggle animation, and that'll create a keyframe. Now I'm going to scroll down to the beginning of the video, and let's just drag this all the way down to 0. That will automatically create a keyframe, therefore creating the animation of the transition. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, that's some custom animation right there. Boom, baby, we have a custom fade-in transition. I'm Polley. I'll see you on the next video.